see something that said, take a look at what happened.
I got you, sir.
Let me get my shoes, sir.
Hold that in your head. It's bloody.
So we got to move to the bus. Let me get my shoes.
Okay, put your shoes down. Put your shoes.
Watch out.
Wait.
All right, you just watched once again that very chaotic and terrifying scene over in Butler, Pennsylvania.